In today's world of roofing services, standing out in a crowded market can feel like an uphill battle. With homeowners constantly bombarded with messages, the fear of being overlooked is very real. But here's the silver lining. Optimizing your ads on Google and Facebook can be your game changer. We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. Let's dig into some straightforward strategies that will help you connect with the homeowners who truly need your services. Number 1. Identify your target audience. Think about who you want to reach. Homeowners, property managers, or maybe even commercial clients? By segmenting your audience, you can create targeted messages that resonate. Use tools like Facebook Audience Insights and Google Analytics to gather data about their interests and demographics. Knowing your audience lets you craft ads that speak directly to their needs. Number 2. Craft compelling ad copy. Your ad copy should get to the point quickly while still packing a punch. Highlight what makes your service unique. Maybe it's quality materials or fast service. A strong call to action is crucial too. Use phrases that evoke urgency, like, "Protect your home with our expert roofing solutions." This connection can prompt potential customers to take action. Number 3. Utilize high-quality visuals. In the roofing business, visuals are everything. Invest in high-resolution images or videos of your completed projects. Showcase before and after shots to illustrate the difference you make. Remember, people are visual creatures. They're more likely to engage with ads that have stunning visuals. Number 4. Keyword research and optimization. Keywords are your ticket to being found online. Focus on high-intent phrases like "roof repair near me." Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to identify these keywords effectively. Don't ignore long-tail keywords. They often have less competition and can lead to higher conversion rates. Number 5. Budget allocation and seasonality. Smart budgeting is key to maximizing your ad spend. Experiment with different platforms to see where you get the best response. Also, align your campaigns with seasonal trends, like promoting roof inspections before storm season, to capture interest when it's at its peak. Number 6. Landing page optimization. It's not just about driving traffic, it's about converting that traffic into leads. Ensure your landing pages match your ad messaging for a seamless experience. Include clear contact forms and testimonials to build trust and encourage inquiries. Number 7. Continuous monitoring and optimization. Keep an eye on your ad performance metrics. Use tools like Google Analytics to track user behavior and adjust your strategy based on what's working or not working. Regularly testing different ad variations will help you stay adaptable and effective in your campaigns. As we wrap up this discussion, remember that understanding your audience and implementing these strategies can transform your roofing ads from overlooked to irresistible. But here's the catch. If you're not careful, you might miss out on crucial insights that could elevate your advertising game even further. To keep discovering the best ways to connect with homeowners who need roofing services, visit our site at BigHomeProjects.com. We're here to bridge the gap between homeowners and trusted local contractors, making it easier for you to find the perfect fit for all your roofing needs.